So in this video, we will see how to install Bitpro. Okay, so just go to Google, Chrome or Edge, just search for Bitpro. So you will get our website, bitproglobal.com. Just click on this and go to downloads from here and download the installer. Okay, so I already downloaded the installer. So you can see here, double click on it and click on install database. Okay, so if you don't have installed PostgreSQL database, then click on this and install it. I already installed, that's why I'm not installing now. You can install from here. Also, you can download from the Google and install it. Then click on install BitproERP. Okay. So now it's downloaded and start installing. So just click next, click install. Now it's installing. That's it. Click on finish. So first time installing, it will ask for the database host name and password. So just keep the host name as it is, but password 9535. A database installed from the Bitpro installer, then the password is 9535. Okay. So default username and password is admin, small case. Click on sign in. So Bitpro is already installed. Just go to preferences and system preferences. From here, we need to set the tags to VAT for KSA and VAT 15% from the drop down and enable KSA e-invoice integration phase 1. Okay, save all settings. And for second phase integration, we need to enable this one. Enter the admin password and again click on save all preferences and click on onboard ZATCA second phase e-invoicing. I will enter admin password again. Click enter. Here we need to enter the company name, either Arabic or English, no problem. I will enter sample and environment type is production. It should be production. And enter the VAT number. What is the VAT number of the company? 15 numbers. And CR number, branch, you can enter the city name, where the location of the business or the store, if you have multiple stores. Then street name, for example, anything, test street, building number, should be four numbers. And city, for example, Jeddah, Al-Balad, the district, and the postal code, and the industry. If it is trading, then trading or service or whatever the industry, click on generate serial and click on generate CSR. Okay, so it will generate the CSR. Now click on next step, and here we need to enter the OTP. Okay, so we need to go to fatoora.zatka.government.gov.sa. Okay, and click enter. Here we need to enter the username and password to log in to the ZATCA portal and go to onboard new system and generate OTP and come back here to paste that OTP. Now I'm pasting that OTP. Okay, and click on compliance invoice and get CCSID. So I already got the CSID, means production CSID. So it's ready. Now it's already connected with the ZATCA. That's it. So just click on save it and go back. From here, I will check making on new invoice. First of all, I need to open the register. I will open the register and go to invoice, new. From here, I will search item. I don't have any item, so I will create one test item. I will put the price 10 reals. I will save the item, bring it here. I will tender this one as cash, save it. Okay, now it's saved and go back and go to invoice dashboard. You can see the invoice is already submitted. The response, you can see the success because it's already connected to ZATCA, and whatever invoice we are making, now it will automatically send to ZATCA. Okay, you can go to preferences. You can set your store details from here, store tab, and click on edit. And you can set store name, English store name, Arabic subname, and other things, other like address details, and or you can click on this bring data from tax register info, because we already entered these details on ZATCA second phase integration. Okay, so it will bring from there. You can see the district, city, postal code, building number, street, other things are already mapped. ABC company and Arabic also. Okay, and just save it. That's it.